The experts behind Garden Safe brand know home gardening is as much about how you grow as what you grow. That's why we offer specialized formulas for organic gardening like Garden Safe brand Houseplant and Garden Insect Killer. The easy-to-use spray is tough on insects such as aphids, tomato hornworms, and green fruitworms, but gentle enough to use on indoor houseplants and outdoor home gardens. This fast-acting formula kills more than 100 insects on contact. To use, simply shake the bottle well and then turn the nozzle to spray or stream depending on your needs. Hold the sprayer 18 to 24 inches away from the plant and spray thoroughly on all plant parts, including the underside of leaves. You can repeat the treatment in 1 to 2 weeks if needed to control infestations right up to the day of harvest. Do not apply more than 10 times per season. With Garden Safe brand Houseplant and Garden Insect Killer, you can keep pest control simple and let nature do the rest. Let goodness grow.